my tree girl is? How are they? So them actually missing? I never saw know about this. Oh my God.
Godmother. Godmother.
What go on, may I come?
Yeah, but that was not the arrangement. You can't want to change things in the middle of the process now. It will be a lot easier when I have my own place. But currently, right now, I have to move from church to church. Alright, fine. I'll deal with that. Oh, and the next thing. I check my account now. What happened to the last month payment? Didn't reach me yet. Listen to me. Let's fix it, please.
No man, Stone. You seriously made it have to go over there?
Oh, until they say your godmother, you know, from them size up and them slide, you know. You see me? I've straightened them up.
I really gone.
Yeah, man, you don't know what you having told because low 87 them him feel like say. You understand? I have to make him like a mini and them know. So if you hear me catch flow, I go send too far in the angel field. Remember that was the agreement too.
But hold on there. You know, somebody that flow there.
So that means I have to give them a serious patience.
Stone, a joke. A joke me I make. A joke me I make. Alright? A joke. No man. You serious in there? But me love that. Where you are the Stone? That smell good, you know?
I mean godmother, where you say? Want a split?
No man, just give me 2 tight.
Alright.
Jesus. Oh, why man?
And the Jesus that godmother. A pastor.
Yeah, bring that spliff later. A joke. A joke. Stone, go on. Me link you later. Stone. Oh, hi. Wow, hi. For me?
Yeah, of course, for you. Anything for you. So you still worried about this character doing?
Not really. But it makes sense to be safe.
So Stoneface is what now? Your bodyguard, Jay?
Stone appoint himself to me as a caretaker. No matter how me tell him say me good, I just Stone that. He might go watch me head back.
So you're okay with a thug watching out for you?
Hey, stop this stuff. Just stop this stuff. Let me tell you this. You see when it come to Stone? You see when it come to Stoneface? I know you talk about him. I'm a right hand that. Don't try this him.
Janelle, with all due respect, and the same thing I say about it is, much right than you want to have, sir.
stone different.
You sure about that? I certainly will know, say, you will never expect this with this.
I don't agree with it is, but I understand where I come from. Because in a film head, it's like me did have him under stone face shadow.
So you tell me that you understand the guy will try to take your life, Janelle?
I'm gonna tell you something, Johnson. You have to understand your enemy and it to your advantage.
So who am I talking to now? Janelle or her godmother?